One of my childhood memories was going to Dairy Queen on the weekends, and no matter what it was that they had on the menu, Mom would ask, "What do you want?" And it was always the banana split, you guys. So now that I am following a low carb diet, I am bringing you a recipe that you can use whether you are following a low carb diet or not. And that's the beauty of a lot of the recipes that I'm bringing you, you guys. You don't have to forgo a lot of the things that you loved growing up just because you're following a low carb diet. All you do is you take those memories, okay, and then you tweak the recipes a little bit and you can enjoy them without compromising any of the goodness. So today, as you can see, I have everything that we need to put this deliciousness together. Get all the ingredients, come in close, and let's make one of our childhood favorites together. Coming up next. Okay, everyone, welcome back. So, to my Nutri-Blender container, which is what I'm going to be using to mix all of the ingredients together. If you have a blender at home, you can definitely use that instead. But this is what I use in my kitchen, is the Nutri-Blender. And if you're interested, I will leave the link to that in the description. So we're going to start with adding our cottage cheese. Next, our sweetener, protein powder. And this is vanilla flavored. And next, our fruit. I've got my banana here, which is ripe, and some frozen strawberries. Put the lid on this and blend. All right, guys, that was about 30 seconds. Where else can you go and make ice cream in about a minute? Okay, let's take the lid off of this. Okay, yeah, everything looks to be well combined. That looks amazing. Okay, and one other thing, you guys, that I need to mention is in the traditional Dairy Queen banana split, there is also some pineapple. Pineapple is not one of my favorite things, but if you do favor pineapple, please do add some of that in here as well before you blend it. Okay, so having said that, let's go ahead and bring over our storage container. Pour in all of this deliciousness. All right, guys, and here we have it. So I'm gonna put the lid on this, and then off to the freezer. This goes for about 3 hours or so. And then when we get ready to serve this, what I'm gonna do is melt some chocolate and chop up some nuts. So you guys, I'll see you in about 3 hours. All right, guys, now that this is out of the freezer, I just need to let it sit on the counter so that it can melt a little bit, so that way we can scoop it, and then I will proceed to show you how to put all of this together. I feel like I am a kid again, waiting for the server to put together my banana split, but this time, you guys, I am waiting for this ice cream to melt so that we can serve it up. Okay, everyone, so this should be about ready to be scoopable. So let me go ahead and set this aside so I can get the rest of my ingredients ready. So in this bowl, I have some melted chocolate. I put a little bit of butter in it, microwaved it for 20-second increments until it was melted. Of course, you can also use some coconut oil as well. And then I also have some peanuts, which I have to chop up. And then you guys, it will be ready to, or it'll be time to assemble our banana split. And that looks good. So bring over our serving container. Look at that, you guys. I just needed to be a little bit patient with it. But you know, when you anticipate bringing back one of your childhood memories, being patient sometimes can be a little bit difficult. Just as it was when you were a kid. All right, you guys, that looks good. 2 scoops. And to this, we are going to add some of this chocolate sauce. As little or as much as you like. Let me get some down here in the sides to you guys. Because remember, this is my memory. So I'm going to make it my own kind of special. And now lastly, some of these nuts. And then here we have it, you guys.
So good. Oh my gosh.
You guys, I took the flavors of a banana split, put it into a high protein, low carb base, and that being the cottage cheese. I put bananas in it, I put the strawberries in it. And if you also like pineapple, you can put the pineapple in it. Blended all of that deliciousness together along with some sweetener of your choice. I used allulose and a little bit more protein powder just to beef up the protein content. Froze it, and then I served it along with some chocolate and some nuts, you guys. Absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh, I am so happy right about now. Those memories just flooded right back in, just as they did when I was a little girl waiting to taste the first bite of that banana split. Give it a try. And when you do, leave in the comments, let me know how you liked it, you guys. And also, remember to give this video a like and a share. And please do subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before. You guys remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special, just like I did with one of my childhood memories. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you real soon on my next Fit, Fat, 50, and enjoy.